Hello, my dear friends. Welcome again to Learning Wise. I'm your host Kamlesh Sharma. And as you can see on the screen, this video is dedicated to SUMIF function, right? SUMIF function, a very useful function of Microsoft Excel. It is the combination of two functions. First is the sum function and the other is the if function. Okay, and when we combine these two functions together, it becomes a new function called SUMIF function. Now, what is the purpose of using this function? So, this function is used to add the values in the cell which meets a specific criteria. Okay, now when we do this normal sum function, when we use the normal auto sum function, what do we get? We get the sum of all the values in the column. But think about it, what if I just want to add the values which meet the condition as per the question? So in that case, normal sum will not help us. Okay, there we will have to go and use SUMIF function. Don't worry if you are not able to understand this explanation. I will take you to my Excel sheet and I will explain you the entire functioning by the example. Alright, so now we are into our workbook, and here as you can see I have created this computer courses table for you. This table has got three columns in it. First is the name, okay, name of the people. Second is the course taken by these people, and third is the total fee of that particular course, right? So there are many people here. Let me just add one more column, namely serial number. I forgot to add that. Let me just add here. Okay, I want to make it capitals, and yeah, here we go. Let me put the border also. I'm making it centralized. So here we go. Now students, please see that I have got this table which has the serial number, name, course and the fees, right? In the with the help of the normal auto sum, what we can do is we can go and add the fees of all these names, okay, all these courses. So what is going to be the output? यहाँ हमें इस सारे का sum मिल जाएगा. Okay, we can find out the sum of all the fee paid by these people. But we don't want that. We want that, uh, like I want to find out the total fee of only those people who have selected the software course. Look here, I have made another small table for you which says total fees. Okay, now in total fees I have written the names of all the courses which are here. There is the software course, then desktop publishing, graphic designing, desktop, desktop publishing, I think I mentioned two times. Okay, then we have got the advanced Excel and then hardware, right? So I have used this thing, and now I want to find out the fee, the total fee of only the software courses. All those people who have taken the software courses, their fee should get summed up and should come here. Okay, so this cannot be find out with the help of normal auto sum. Here we have to use the sum if function. Let me take you back here and see how many people have taken the software course. First is this Shikha and second is this Tanya. Okay, then how many people have undergone for desktop publishing course? Sanjay and then Sneha. Only two people have selected for the desktop publishing. So when I say find out the total fees of desktop publishing, that means these two values should get added and their output should come here in this column, this cell. Okay, now let us start doing it. I will show you how to do it in two ways, right? So the first thing is I will come here, press equal to sign and write down sum if. Okay, the moment you write down sum, this this small box is going to come up with all the related functions, and from here you can select this sum if. Okay, double click, sorry. So double click on that, and here you can see that you have to specify three things. There are three parameters here. First is the range, second is the criteria, and third is the sum range. So what is the range? So what is the meaning of range? Range is that range of cells from which you want to find out the this particular name, right? So for my range is going to be from software, I mean it is going to be from C4 to C18. Okay, so this is the place, this is the range of cells from where this particular word has to be found. Okay, then comma, what is the criteria? What are we trying to find out? We are trying to find out the software. Okay, so I'm going to click on this particular cell. हमें software find out करना है, so I'm clicking on this. Then put one more comma. Now find out the sum range. Okay, now click on the sum range. What is our sum range? हमें एडिशन कहाँ से फाइंड आउट करना है? हमें इस रेंज ऑफ सेल से सम फाइंड आउट करना है. Okay, so we will select this range of cells, which is the fees, which is from D4 to D18. Right, I'm once again explaining. The first parameter was range. Range is that range of cells from where you have to find out the the specific word. आप जहाँ पे आपका वो word है जिसके लिए आपको sum if यूज करना है, उस range को select करना है. Second is criteria. Criteria is the condition. Okay, so condition is the software, the word software. We are searching for the software word. इस रेंज में जहां जहां सॉफ्टवेयर वर्ड लिखा आएगा उसके लिए हमें सम अप्लाई करना है, पर इस रेंज में से. राइट, तो सम रेंज कहाँ एडिशन करना है? यहाँ एडिशन. ठीक है. Now once you are done with this entire parameter, press the bracket and enter. And here we go, the value is 3000. Now I want to cross check whether I have done it correctly or not. So उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? देखो यहाँ पे software, we have got the software at two places, right? So I'm going to click this and then I'm going to click this with the help of control key, right? So when you press the control key and select the two required cells, you can see the sum here. Can you see this? Look at the status bar, the sum comes out to be 30,000. Right, sum of selected cell, and the same value is here. That means I have my function has given me the correct value. Okay, now the same thing can be applied on these left ones. Okay, these desktop publishing, graphic designing, advanced Excel and hardware. Right, so we have seen this by typing ourselves. Now the next I will show you by going to this functions. Okay, so I'm clicking here and then I'm going to this auto sum more functions. Let me bring it here. Okay, now here I'm going to search for the SUMIF function, and here we go, the SUMIF function. Then click OK. Now you can see that the function arguments have come here. Okay, what is the range where I want to find out my word? So this is my range. I'm selecting it. Now what is the criteria? My criteria is desktop publishing. ठीक है, So I'm clicking this desktop publishing. You can click here or you can click at any other place where you find out the desktop publishing. Okay. Then what is the sum range? The sum range is this range. Alright, so that's all. Click OK and here we go. Let us cross check desktop publishing, and where is the other desktop publishing? Here. Press the control key and select this. See, the sum is 10,000 and the sum here also was 10,000. So that means our function is giving the correct one, correct value. Alright, let's try it again on the graphic designing. I am using SUMIF function like this time. And what is the range? This is my range. What is the criteria? Put a comma. Criteria is this graphic designing. So select graphic designing. Put the comma. This time select the sum range. Sorry. Yeah. This is the sum range. Bracket close. Enter key. Alright. So this is 3 into 5. Yeah. This is coming out to be 1 lakh. Right. If you want to cross check, go and cross check. These are the two places. Is there any other place where graphic designing? No. So 50,000, 50,000 comes out to be 1 lakh. Alright. So that's all. Okay, I hope you would have understood the usage of SUMIF function. Now instead of doing it again and again, we can use the autofill function also. Right. Go to this edge. Select this cell. Come to the right edge and drag. And this SUMIF function will be applied to all the subsequent cells. Okay, I hope you would have understood the usage of SUMIF with the help of my video. If you have found out this video useful, go like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it among those people who really need it. Right? So bye bye and take care and keep learning.